Roblox faces explosive lawsuit. Kentucky accuses platform of endangering children. In a shocking and unprecedented turn of events, the state of Kentucky has officially filed a massive lawsuit against Roblox, one of the world's largest online gaming platforms, accusing the multi-billion-dollar company of transforming its virtual world into a hunting ground for predators and prioritizing profit over child safety. The lawsuit, filed by Kentucky Attorney General Russell Coleman under the Kentucky Consumer Protection Act, claims that Roblox has knowingly allowed harmful, exploitative, and illegal content to exist and spread on its platform for years, all while misleading millions of parents into believing that Roblox is a safe, family-friendly space for children. The lawsuit does not simply demand financial penalties. It calls for fundamental change within the company, including the introduction of verified parental consent systems, stricter and verifiable age checks, real-time content moderation, and more effective automated filters to detect explicit or predatory behavior before it can reach children. What makes this particular case stand out from previous legal actions is the depth and specificity of the accusations. The filing references organized criminal groups such as the notorious 764 Group, which has been linked to online predatory activity and the distribution of illegal material through Roblox games, including one called Dollhouse Roleplay, according to the lawsuit. Members of this group operated openly within Roblox, using chat systems and private servers to lure minors into external platforms like Discord. Disturbingly, the lawsuit even references an independent investigator known as Shaw, who had reportedly been assisting law enforcement in uncovering these exploitation networks. Rather than supporting his efforts, Roblox allegedly banned all of his accounts and issued a cease and desist letter, labeling his work as vigilante behavior. This move, as the lawsuit argues, exposes the company's misplaced priorities, punishing those who expose wrongdoing while ignoring those who facilitate it. This incident is far from isolated. Over the past year alone, multiple states, including Louisiana, Florida, and Oklahoma, have launched investigations or filed lawsuits against Roblox over nearly identical issues. State attorneys general in those regions have accused Roblox of failing to protect minors, enabling contact between predators and children, and maintaining weak parental controls. Countless parents across the United States have also filed private lawsuits and class actions, claiming that their children were targeted, groomed, or exploited through Roblox's voice chat, messaging systems, and links to third-party servers. Despite Roblox's public claims of robust moderation, these families argue that the company's safety measures are largely reactive, not preventive. Coleman's lawsuit goes into alarming detail, describing Roblox's negligence as intentional, preventable, and completely unreasonable. It outlines numerous cases in which predators allegedly used Robux, the in-game currency, to manipulate children, offering or withholding Robux in exchange for photos, videos, or explicit actions. The filing also documents Roblox's ongoing failure to moderate violent or explicit recreations of real-world events. The lawsuit even references former Roblox employees who allegedly warned company executives about these vulnerabilities years ago, only to be ignored because stricter safety measures might slow down the company's explosive user growth and revenue streams. If Roblox is found guilty, the financial consequences could be catastrophic under Kentucky law. The company could face civil penalties of up to $2,000 per violation. With Roblox's massive user base, this could easily add up to hundreds of millions, or even billions of dollars in fines. The lawsuit specifically names both Roblox Corporation and its subsidiary, Roblox Prepaid Company LLC, which handles Roblox gift cards, arguing that both entities profit from unsafe practices and should be held accountable. In response, Roblox issued a lengthy public statement dismissing the Kentucky lawsuit as sensationalized, outdated, and based on misinformation. The company claimed it had received no prior communication from the Attorney General's office before the filing and described its own moderation systems as rigorous and industry-leading. Roblox highlighted the use of artificial intelligence moderation tools, thousands of human moderators working around the clock, and over 100 new safety features introduced in the past year, including facial age estimation technology and expanded parental controls. However, critics, parents, and child safety advocates have pointed out that these same assurances have been repeated for years after every scandal, while the same kinds of harmful content continue to reappear. With multiple states now building legal cases and a growing mountain of evidence pointing towards systemic failures, Kentucky's lawsuit could represent a critical turning point. If the court rules in favor of the state, Roblox could be forced to implement strict, government-monitored safety reforms that fundamentally change how the platform operates. On the other hand, if the company continues to deny responsibility, it risks triggering a wider federal investigation. Given that at least 4 states are now formally involved, this moment could very well define the future of child safety in online gaming, a wake-up call for one of the world's most popular platforms, and a stark reminder that digital freedom comes with serious accountability. Roblox may have built a digital empire for millions of children, but this lawsuit is demanding that it finally start protecting the very users who made it successful. A world that millions of children log into every single day deserves far better protection than what Roblox has provided so far.